welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments.
Hi guys, and welcome back again to another episode of my YouTube channel. Like bread and facing. I don't have my ring light, so I am just I have no ring light, so very word I look for. I'm using whatever I can use to get some light in my face. It has to stay so I can't fix it now, but it blind me. Yeah, lights are blind me. True. Guys, I saw this very disturbing video. I don't even know why I'm laughing. It's not that I'm laughing because it's funny. I'm just laughing because I'm not even laughing. I'm just showing some teeth because I don't know what else to do, because the video was so disturbing, disgusting, full of wickedness, no morals, every terrible adjective that you can use to describe something. This video is all of that. Now you may be wondering what I'm speaking of. There's this video going that was leaked on the internet with some young people. I don't think they're more than 15 years old. I would say 15 years old is probably too much. I think they're about between 13, 14, 15 might be a big stretch, but they're kids. It's about 5 boys or 6 boys, it could be 7. But it was a lot of boys. And it was 1 female, 1 girl. Yeah? Little pit of them, because them body look little. So them could have look like some like 11-year-old, but I don't think they're 11. But I could be wrong. But as I said, their kids, their age and their names have not been disclosed. But the video has been making its round on social media. We all know what is in the video because a lot of people have seen it, and who haven't seen it, we have heard what the content of it involves. Me, myself, I haven't personally seen the video, and I hope that nobody don't send the video to me, because certain things, when you see certain things, I can't unsee it. And I'm just glad that nobody that I know do not send that video to my phone, because that's one of the most disgusting things I've seen for a very, very long time. And that kind of shows you, in a couple of videos a couple months ago, I was talking about, our morality in Jamaica, the moral scale gone way down. Sometimes I feel ashamed to talk about it, but it's the reality. That it's like Jamaicans don't have no morals. And yes, I don't want you to comment and say, oh, some Jamaican. Obviously, it have to be some Jamaican, because obviously I am one of those that have morals. But a lot of people, they don't grow up on any morals. They were not raised on morality. And then they pass down the same things to their kids. Because I don't care what nobody said. Your children are a product of you. If your children come out good, it's because of the parents. And if your children come out bad, it's because of the parents as well. And a lot of us as parents, we don't like to take personal responsibility about how some of our actions might have had a negative impact on our children. Because a lot of parents don't want to accept when they are wrong, and how that negativity would have impacted the lives of their children, right? But it's like I can't even find words to describe what I want to say, because the actions of those young men, it's very, very alarming. It's distasteful. It's very, very disgusting, right? So enough of the chatting. So the video is about 5 or 6 boys, young teenagers, very young teenagers. They be just touching a teenage stage, and they have decided that they're going to assault a young girl within their age group. All of them, whether 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, they took their turns with her. Even when she said no, they still continue to do what it is that they feel that they should do. When the girl refused to participate, one of the younger guys start beat her up. I mean, like a proper big man, like they were behaving like some grown ass men. Like, I don't understand because yeah. So they had their way with her, and she couldn't say no. Even if she said no, what she got from saying no, then beat her up bad. Because she said no. Now you have some adults or some people that call themselves adults, and they try to justify certain behavior. You understand? I don't know how you justify something like that, right? Some people are saying, why did that child put herself in that position for that to happen to her? No, I cannot wrap my head around someone who would say something like that. Like, what you mean why she would put herself in that position? Or she like it? Some people come and say she like it, or that she did want, or she like, all right then, let's say she did want it, because since your reasoning is that she put herself in the situation and she wanted it, let's say she did want it then, but then she changed her mind and said no, and they should stop. What would you have to say about that? What do you have to say about that? Mr. Some of Jamaican people are disgusting, and this is, I'm talking about males and females. And as surprising as it might be, or it may be not surprise, oh no, but it surprised me. See, a lot of females would come out and actually blame this young girl. And you know, a lot of these people who are doing these things, they themselves have experienced traumatic experiences like that when man run train upon them. Some people go through every day. I'm glad for my life. It's like the things that I hear people talk about, I've never been. It's like my life was so cushy. My life was so cushy growing up as a child. When you just dine for Friday, come on with my father, go buy with a jerk pork or a soup. Big Friday even take away. When we used to grow up, you hear the word battery run down 1 and 2 times. I used to think to myself, how people put themselves, like how that get to happen to people, like. But certain things, I guess it doesn't matter what sector of the society you're from. These things happen in every sector of the society. But I give thanks that I didn't have to experience them same way some women have to experience as children, and some kind of parents that they had, who probably themselves no know no better, and end up they suffer a lot. It's quite sad, and I'm just, I'm glad I never experience nothing like that, like a childhood trauma or no sexual abuse, whether it's from an adult or from other people in my age group. Like, I don't know what to say, but this victim blaming, it has got to stop. Because I was reading a comment on one of those blogging pages, one of those gossip pages, where it would appear as if it's one of the guy's mom that was involved, and her thing was she asking them to take down her son's picture because it's not the first time the little girl involved in something like that. So what she basically said, the pitney bad, and the little girl loved them something all the time she do it. So miss, you know that your son participates in things like those, or you know that those things have been taking place in your community involving underage kids, and you have not reported it. You have not taken it to the authority. But know that your son face a show. Know that your son face is highlighted in the video. You come up with a big mouth, lack of education, empty brain, nothing up here, so. Nothing up here, so somehow no warehouse, somehow no dunce. Somehow no parents, somebody have fitness still, because enough of no parents when I breed up and have these kids, and I can't give the kids a proper education, and I cannot take the kids out of the ghetto. So the whole generation now come the same. From great grandmother come right down to grandparents the same way right now. It's like on a situation sticky. And you, lady, you come out and you're saying this is not the first time. And you're trying to say a bad girl, a bad pitney man. Enough time she do them something, she like them kind of thing there. So you feel like somebody like to be beaten up. You think it is normal for somebody to be beaten during sex. Me talk about I don't know. You think it normal? So who in them right mind I love being beaten up on? Like, So you actually come out and let us know that your son has been involved in these kind of things before. It's just because the video was not leaked and the girl is not ashamed, so they're all right with it. But because your thinking is that the picnic gone a long time and actually the video come out now and she shame and what? You see, you see parents like we don't teach the children no morals. We self not even know what good morals are. You understand? You guys are mixed up in so many filth, and your brain, I be a dirty water and I'm also on a brain, and it just hurt me so much because so many people from Jamaica is so dunce. And when you call them out on their stupidity, you see, because their mouths are so loud, they have the loudest mouth. So when you call them out on them stupidity, it's like a whole lot of them gang down and you're like a bee's hive. If you make you the one with sense sound like you don't have no sense. And them without no sense, none of them brain. They feel to that. So guys, sorry about that. I had to cut my video a bit. So it hurt my heart when they say much dunce people come from Jamaica and how many people didn't get to go to school, and how much it has affected people. How much, and you can't tell them, say not affect them, You can't tell them because in their mind the internet full enough of them. But if only a lot of these people would just go take some course where beneficial to their upbringing, because they didn't get a lot of things when they were younger, so a lot of things passed them out. And I hope that the law punishes these kids because them have sense. Yeah, you say it. Them have sense. They watch, them need to get punished, and they need to get them brain need to be washed out to eliminate, to take away all those things that they were thinking, because that's not how it goes. And a lot of these people, they watch a lot of dark films, and it's like they don't understand that these things that they see in the film is not real. They don't understand that these things are not real. So then they come and they act it out in a real life, and it's like they don't know that real life have real consequences. Why, may I tell you, Jaja. Guys, we need to do better. Like, we really need to do better. But the empty barrels there, we need to calm down and start take some killing, because most are not full. Anyway, guys, this was a hard one because it just shows you the direction the society is going, because the things that the youngsters are doing, where are they learning these things from? Where are they getting these things from? And as I say, as parents, we have to take some of the responsibility. We have to take blame for some of the responsibility. We are not immune. As I said before, if our kids come out good in life, we jump on a train. I would say, yay, I'm a great mom. But if our children don't do the right thing, a lot of people take themselves out of the equation, and they don't take responsibility. They don't take no form of responsibility of how their actions might have had a negative impact on the upbringing of their kids. But anyway, guys, this one is just, it's not a happy video for me. I don't take them sure, but it's quite sad, and something drastically needs to be done. And this victim blaming in our culture, it needs to stop. It needs to stop. Anyway, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace. Peace.